Hi, today I'm going to show you how to search for courses in MyUD. To access MyUD, you can use the My Campus login, which is found on the university homepage at www.dbq.edu. That is the page we are on now. Up in the right-hand corner is where you will find the My Campus login. You can also access MyUD through the direct URL my.dbq.edu. Today we are going to use the direct URL. my.dbq.edu. Once you are on the MyUD homepage, which is this page here, you will select Course Search. Then from here, you will need to choose the correct term. So for this example, we are going to use Fall 2020. You will notice that there are a lot of other options for individual sessions, so just be cautious when you are selecting the semester. Once you have your term selected, you will then want to plug in the course code. The course code can be found in your advising worksheet, or you can also search by department. And if you click the drop down, it will give you different options for the various departments. So you can search that way. But today we are going to search by course code. So here is where you will enter the course code. When entering the course code, you will always enter D for Dubuque first, then a space, and then you will type in the rest of the code. We are going to use Worldview Seminar 201 as our example today. So now that you have your course code entered, you can also scroll down and go to Section Status and select Open. This will ensure that your results are only for courses that are still open. You'll notice there's other options of ways to search for courses. Again, just be cautious because it could be very limiting for your results if you start selecting all the various options. So we're going to keep it simple and select Fall 2020, Worldview Seminar 201 as our course code, and then our section status as open. Then I will click on Search. Now you will be able to view your course search results. You will select your courses based on which ones are open, and also based on the day, the time, the location, or instructor. So, for example, Worldview Seminar 20104, 04 is the section. So the section determines those various factors. So it determines who the instructor is. So for this section 04, Professor Downing is the instructor. It tells you which days it's being offered. So this section is being offered Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12:15 to 1:30 p.m. And then it also tells you the location of the course. So this course is located in the Heritage Center. You can also click on the blue course code to view the course description. So we can click on this blue course code, and then it will pull up the course description as well as some other helpful information. Within the course description, you will be able to see if the course has a prerequisite requirement. So this course does have a prerequisite course requirement. So that means you have to take a course first before you can take the next one. So students would have to successfully complete Worldview Seminar 101 before they can take Worldview Seminar 201. Along with prerequisite course requirements and the course description, you would also be able to see if the course had any additional fees associated with it. Overall, it is very important to keep in mind that when you are selecting courses, be sure that the courses you select are listed as options on your advising worksheet. And that is how you can use the course search feature in MyUD.